Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to use MIT App Inventor to create a simple mobile app that opens a web link directly from a button click. App Inventor is a block-based programming tool that makes it easy to build Android apps without complex coding. In this lesson, we'll create an app that launches a web page when you tap a button. First, let's design the interface. Drag a button onto the screen and rename it Open Link. Then, add an ActivityStarter component from the palette. This component allows us to launch external activities, like opening a browser. Now, let's program the behavior. In the blocks section, we'll use these blocks when button 1.click. Set ActivityStarter 1.action to Android.intent.action.view. Set ActivityStarter 1.data array to the web link you want to open. Call ActivityStarter 1.startActivity. Once the blocks are set, connect your device. Or use the emulator to test. Tap the button, and it should. The web page in your browser. Finally, let's package the app. Go to the Build menu and choose App Provide QR Code for .apk closing parenthesis single quotes. Scan the QR code or download the APK file to install it on your Android device. Now you have a working app that opens a web link with a single tap. And that's it. You've successfully created an APK that hosts a web link. Try experimenting with different links or customizing the button design.